Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can apply smooth slow motion to your videos in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to go to speed, and you can do it here. Go to smooth slow motion and enable optical flow. But I want to go to curves first, and I want to go to customize, and I want to make only a part of it slow, like this part. So I'm just going to add a circle here, and I'm just going to make it slower. Then I'm going to enable smooth slow motion here, and I'm going to enable optical flow, and I'm just going to wait for that to process. And once you are done, you should have something like this. This is still processing, so I'm just going to wait till it's 100%. And yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!